Rabbits can do many amazing things. As the popularity of rabbits increases, so does the need for the facts. There are so many things people need to know about rabbits. The following list is a compilation of odd or amazing facts about rabbits that either shocked me and made my jaw drop when I learned of them, or were just too unique not to share. Here's the list.
Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe. Okay, now let's jump into the video.
1. Many know that rabbits are well known for their mating habits. In fact, some cultures recognize rabbits as a symbol of fertility. But did you know that rabbits can give birth up to 8 times a year? This goes into the jaw-dropping category. 2. Rabbits do sweat, and they do it through pads on their feet. 3. After mating, the male rabbit keels over and enters a coma-like state for about 15 seconds. 4. By flipping rabbits on their back and sliding them back and forth, it is possible to induce a trance-like state. What this means is that, in theory, it is possible to hypnotize rabbits. 5. Rabbits are the only animals besides cats that have induced ovulation cycles. 6. Rabbit does have 2 cervixes, again jaw-dropping. 7. More rabbits, on average, suffer from heat stroke than any other animals. 8. Those huge ears you see on rabbits aren't just for show. Rabbits have amazing hearing. They are even capable of hearing a hawk flying hundreds and hundreds of feet up in the sky. These are just 8 amazing facts about rabbits. There are many, many more. They truly are interesting, unique creatures. If all these wonderful facts floating around have piqued your interest, and you are now considering taking your shot at raising rabbits, that is great. It is also one of the most amazing facts about rabbits: they can be easily domesticated. Is this facts amazed you? Share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.